This is Samsung Galaxy S21 review. Samsung's S21 is a great phone, not the best of the best, but it's still good. This is a significantly less exciting Galaxy S phone than we're used to, but make no mistake, the Galaxy S21 is still a great handset choice, even if it's got a few tweaked specs compared to the Galaxy S20, and the price drop will make it more accessible to more people. Most of the world got the Galaxy S21 on January 29, 2021, including the US, UK and Australia. Its price is way less than that of the Galaxy S20 when it launched, with Samsung trimming a few specs, like reducing the maximum display resolution, and dropping microSD support to do this. All of Samsung's S21 phones are 5G compatible in 2021, so you won't be able to buy a 4G only version. The Galaxy S21 starts at $799, £769, 1,249 Australian dollars for the version with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. It also comes in 256GB and 8GB RAM versions. Want to get a Galaxy S21 with a bit more power? The new Galaxy S21 Plus starts at $999, £949, 1,549 Australian dollars, with the Galaxy S21 Ultra coming in at $1,199, £1,149, 1,849 Australian dollars. In place of the Galaxy S20's full glass rear, which wasn't so exciting in person, Samsung has introduced a glasstic rear with a matte finish and a new camera block design. At launch, the Galaxy S21 comes in 4 colors: Phantom Gray, Phantom White, Phantom Pink, and Phantom Violet. The bottom edge contains the SIM tray, a USB-C port, and the speaker grille, while the right edge holds the power button and volume rocker. However, there is no Bixby button here. Instead, you can activate it by long pressing the power button. Samsung downgraded the Galaxy S21's display, switching to a full HD Plus screen instead of the Quad HD one on the Galaxy S20. Samsung's Galaxy S21 has a 120Hz maximum refresh rate, which is on by default and adaptive. You can play a mobile game while the screen stays at 120Hz, or listen to an audiobook while it reduces the refresh rate to save power. In addition, Samsung has improved the fingerprint scanner on the S21 phones over previous handsets. The sensor is 70% bigger, so it's easier to hit, and it's notably faster too. It's not as fast as the physical fingerprint scanners on other phones, but it's one of the best we've seen. You're going to get the same triple lens rear array as on the Galaxy S21, 12MP for the main camera, 12MP for wide angle, and 64MP for telephoto. The Galaxy S21 gets some software upgrades that should make it even better than the Galaxy S20. With the addition of a slow-mo option, Samsung's single-take mode is better than ever, and it remains one of the best features of Samsung phones. Our testing found the telephoto camera here to be quite good, offering 3x hybrid zoom and up to 30x digital zoom. The 10MP selfie camera on the front of the phone isn't anything special, but it performed well enough. A new feature of the Galaxy S21 is the Director's View mode, which gives you the option of using the front and rear camera simultaneously. You can also shoot video in 8K at 24 frames per second, which offers the best quality and detail, but it's a little too cropped for our taste. Also included are 4K at 30, 60, and 240 frames per second. The Galaxy S21 was the first phone to use either Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 US or Samsung's Exynos 2100. Those were at the top of the range when the S21 range launched, and the Exynos remains top of the range today, but there's a Snapdragon 888 Plus. Both chips in the S21 are paired with 8GB of RAM, but if you want more, you'll have to go for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which comes with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM. With that storage, you can opt for 128GB or 256GB. There's no microSD support on the Samsung Galaxy S21, so you don't get to expand the built-in storage. There's good battery life, but it's not a big jump over the S20. Charge the S21 with its 25 watts fast charging tech via the phone's USB-C port. The device is also compatible with Qi wireless charging, and we're happy with that, too.